Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 3130004. So let's start Unit 6. The contents of Unit 6 are as below. Right now, change, grow, persist, priorities, read, learn, listen, record, remember, assess, think, communicate, relate, dream. These are the contents of Unit 6. So let's start. In the previous lecture, we have learned about change, grow, persist, priorities, and read and learn. Listen. These all are discussed. So today we are going to start record. Record, it means to know the progress of an individual or an organization. It is important to keep records. One must also keep record of personal achievements and steps taken towards personal development goals. Efficient record keeping will save your time and money in long run also. Recording, it means whatever one encounters, one has to sustain in writing. For recording the things or events, good note keeping skills are required. These skills will help to reinforce the information in future when you need. Apart from this, it may also come to the help of others also. So let's start. Record. Record, it means keeping. Record keeping is important aspect to measure the progress of an individual and that of an organization. The progress of an individual and that of an organizational in the working world, it is useful at the time of your performance appraisal. It is a prerequisite for self appraisal. Also, to see where you are heading towards in your life, you must keep records. Recording helps in reflecting, measuring, assessing and creating new goals. It shows yourself at different milestones of your life also. There are so many small and big things in life where record keeping helps, like tracking your expenses and budget, tracking your professional progress, assessing yourself in terms of self-development, remembering from what you learned, etc. Thus, recording is very important, but not everyone is able to maintain record regularly. So, the key to record keeping is very consistent. Record what you read, learn and listen. Record your achievements. Develop a habit of recording your daily life, which helps you reflect upon from time to time. Use record keeping for measuring, assessing and creating your goals also. So let's start, dear all. Remember. Remember. Remember, recollect and recall. Remind mean to bring an image or idea from the past into mind. As per the definition given by Merriam-Webster Dictionary, this process requires the learner to learn, read a concept, retain it over a period of time, and then recollect the concept when it is needed. Remembering is a skill used for encoding and reaching information in long-term memory. Memorizing is an important work skill that can be developed and improved. Whether it is remembering key statistics during a negotiation or quoting a precedent setting action when making a decision for impressing clients with your knowledge of their product lines, your ability to remember has major advantages also. People with good memories are often seen as knowledgeable, smart, competent, and dependable. There are many techniques one can use to develop one's own ability to remember information, and then we can recall it when it where one needs it. Like it well, make sure that you have included key vitamins in your diet, including folic acid, vitamin B12, and antioxidants. This improves the sharpness of the mind. If necessary, take vitamin supplements, drink plenty of water. Most of us are uh, uh, dehydrated and we don't even know it. Dehydrated. When we don't drink enough water, your body and mind become weak and tired. Water makes red blood cells more active and give you more energy. Get enough sleep also. During sleep, your brain recharges itself. Studies have shown that your brain needs sleep to change new memories into long term memories also. So let's start. Remember. Remember. Remember what you read, what you learnt, and what you show. Remember so that you can apply. Here, the remember word can be seen from a deeper perspective. For example, you promise one of your clients to get back to him with a solution and you forgot to call him. It would be the biggest mistake that you would do to harm your image at your workplace. Remember also means to stay committed. You must have to be stay committed. In our daily lives, we have to take care of so many things that we don't remember to do what we are supposed to do. A person walks one step ahead everyone toward his goal only if he remembers it all the time. We are all lost into our small daily activities that we don't remember that there are things which are of more priority. In fact, if you have set your priorities well, you will not forget them. A person who remembers is always needed by others. If you are a person who can remember the interests and concerns of others, you will be remembered by everyone around you, be it your home or office. So learn a lot and remember it so that you can put into practice. Remember your commitments, remember your dreams and goals all the time. Remember things about others. It is a good people skill. You remember about a thing because that is a priority for you also. Thank you very much, everyone.